Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today's just going to be a quick video. It shouldn't be more than a few minutes long. So I was just going through my palettes and I came across this one. I did it not so long ago. I'll try and find the video. Basically I depotted all of my deck of Scarlet eyeshadows that I wanted to keep and I put it in here. And there's also, I think this is a Revolution highlighter. Yeah. I had 3 of these, but this was the nicest one for my skin tone, so that's in there as well. So what I thought I would do is do a little swatch party on them so you can see them. They are beautiful, beautiful shades. The shimmers especially, as you can see, one's had an accident, that one had an accident when I was depotting it, but I want to keep the actual shade. Maybe it's one of the ones that I can pan, and then this one here has got quite a healthy dip in it as well. So maybe I could pan that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the swatches of them, of the eyeshadows that I kept. So let's go over to my vanity and do some quick swatches. Right, so here we are. So this is my magnetic palette. It's the #ProArtist one. I'm sure it was a Revolution palette. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I think it was. And it's got a nice mirror inside, which isn't essential for me because I don't use these mirrors, but it just means I could travel with it and use the mirror. So I'm going to swatch the top row. They're all mattes. Really, that one could be doing to go there. And then all the mattes could do with going together. Can't even get this one out. So that one could go there as well. Right, so we'll keep it like that. I think that's all the mattes. Then we've got these shimmers. Put that yellow there. Then we'll just move these along. It might change at a later date, but that's the way it's going to stay for now. And then obviously this highlighter is going to go on, which I've kind of got dirty. But that's the shade of the highlighter. It's really, really pretty. I'll just get a white ready. So we're going to swatch the mattes first. Some of the mattes probably won't show up on my skin tone, just because they're the same colour. And I can't even tell you what palettes are out of at this point. This yellow is out of the Kristen Leanne one. This peach shade down here is out of the Kim Tai one. But all the other eyeshadows I couldn't tell you. I think you got 3 with every single palette. So that's how many palettes I had. I think it worked out about 7 eyeshadow palettes I depotted. So let's go in. So that's a cream ivory shade. So I'll definitely be getting use out of that. I think the next shade, the next cream ivory shade, I depotted with that one. So that's it there. And then the next one is quite peachy as well. That one's not as smooth. I don't actually think I like this shade. This might be able to get... I mean, you can't even see it. I'll try it, but if I don't like it, then I'll be going from the palette completely. Then we've got this like really nice transition here, Broken, like I said earlier. That one didn't really depot well. But that's it there. Then we've got this slightly darker brown here. Which would, for me, it would make a really nice outer V. I think I want to change some of these around. Let's have a look. Yeah. So then we've got this like mulberry shade here. That's quite smooth. I don't normally wear shades like that, but I've kept it in. And the same with the next shade. I wouldn't normally use shades like this, but I think them two will go really, really well together. So I think that one should go before that one in the palette. Oh, I thought that one was darker, but it's not. Tinted the highlighter. I think that's right now. Everything's a work in progress. Right, so next we've got this purple tone shade here. Which isn't the best. Again, we'll try that, and if I don't like it, that'll go. And then the last matte is a slightly darker purple, which is this one here. Sorry, I can't stop sniffling. Right, so that's all the mattes. So we've got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mattes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shimmers. 16 deck of Scarlet eyeshadows. So I'm going to move over to the shimmers now. So we've got this lovely bronze shade there. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's that one. Then we've got a gold shade here. These are so smooth. Then we've got a deeper bronze, which isn't as smooth. It reminds me of Showtime from Makeup Gate. Let me just show you what that looks like, because it's in this drawer here. Which one was it? Was that one? Reminds me of that one so much. Let's do a swatch. Let's do a comparison. Look how similar they are. They're really similar. That one might be a smidge darker, but yeah, it really does remind me of that. Right, so I'm going to take that one off now. So I was collecting these deck of Scarlet palettes for at least 2 years, and I wasted so much money on them because half of them, I would say at least a good half, just wasn't suitable for me and my skin tone. Okay, so the next one is this shade here. I think that's too dark. And it looks black. It's with a plum undertone. It looks like a shade from the Natasha Denona, the bronze palette, but this one isn't a duochrome. Right, so next we're going in with this beautiful antique gold shade. Then we're going in with my favourite shade, which is this yellow. It's just so beautiful. This is the brightest yellow that I've got in my collection, without a doubt. They got it right when they made this yellow. And then we've just got 3 shimmers on the bottom. And this is one of the best silvers in my collection as well. And then we've got this, it's kind of like a peach shade but with a golden reflect to it. Oh, it's so pretty. So that's that one. And then the last one is another peach shade, but that's just a normal peach. It doesn't have any golden reflect to it, I don't think. I don't know if I want to keep that one either in there long term. So that's all these shades, guys, from the palette. I will be putting it on the chopping block soon, I think, just to see if I want to keep all those shades. The majority of them will stay in, but I don't normally use shades like these two, so that potentially could go, that potentially could go, and this could potentially go, but all the others will stay in. So that's my self-made palette with my deck of Scarlet eyeshadows. So guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.